Hey everyone! Welcome back to Maddie's Creative Corner. It's so good to have you here. In today's video, we're going to be using these beautiful fall colors to create a beginner-friendly, autumn-inspired nail art look. So without further ado, let's get started! So as you can see, I've already prepped and primed my nails and applied a layer of clear base coat. And for today's look, and since I'm going to be doing my non-dominant hand, I decided to use this nude polygel color by Cristina Tezio with some dual forms just to save some time and effort on building the nails. So as you can see, this is a very pretty nude color, and I'm going to start straight away by picking the right size of dual form for my pinky, and then I'm going to apply a small bead straight from the tube and smooth it out with my brush. And then I'm going to press the dual form firmly onto my nail and cure it in the lamp for at least 30 seconds. And I'm going to be repeating the exact same process for all of the nails, and this will allow me to build the nails very quickly and effortlessly. And a little bit of advice that I wanted to give you in regards to these kind of colored polygels: even though this doesn't have a lot of pigment in it, it can still sometimes not cure fully underneath on the underside of the nail. So just to be sure, make sure that you turn the nails over and cure them for a few seconds as well, so that your nail just stays in place and stays beautiful. And another thing, as you can see, my nails are super short. I've really been making nails all the time, so they're a bit damaged at the moment. And because they're so short, if you have short nails like mine, you should make sure that you don't press down the dual form too hard on the nail, because you will not be able to file the underside with an e-file as easily, because the nails are so short, and they will trap dirt and things underneath, and they will just not be sanitary. So make sure that you don't press them down too hard. Even if the nails look a little bit elevated after you take the dual forms off, you can still file that down, but you will not be able to file the underside as easily. After all of the nails have been cured, we're going to go ahead and pop off the dual forms to reveal these beautiful shiny nails. And then I will do some filing off camera, and it's really difficult to do this under the lens, especially because it's my non-dominant hand. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that real quick, buff them, shape them, and smooth them out. And they should look something like this. And without wasting any time, I'm going to take this beautiful color called Azalea, I believe, by Quickgel. And it's kind of like a nude color with sparkles inside. The glitter in it is so pretty. And I'm going to apply 2 layers of this color on my pinky and my index finger. Next up, I'm going to be using this color called Chic, once again by Quickgel Polish, and I'm going to apply 2 layers of this color on the rest of my nails. And this is such a pretty color for fall. It's very muted and it's really special. I just really like it. After all of the nails have been cured, I'm gonna go in with a layer of matte top coat, and I really wanted to go with a matte top coat for this look. I thought it would just bring out the colors so much, and I really love the matte effect for fall. So next up, I'm going to be taking this color called Precious, and I'm going to be using that to paint some fingers. You see here that I did swatch the rest of the colors, but I ended up not using them later on in the video. So with a petal brush, I chose the middle color and I started painting some flower petals. These really don't have to be perfect. I'm just using them as kind of like a rough shape because I am going to be outlining these flower petals later on with black color and turning them into beautiful flowers. So you just kind of need a base to work with, and the design does not need to be perfect, and this is exactly why this is a perfect tutorial for beginners. So here you can see I'm using my Vanillisa color matte gel in black, and with a very thin detail brush I'm going to go ahead and shape out the petals. These are really an abstract design. I'm not the best at painting with my left hand, but yeah, I just thought I would go ahead and kind of try to put these together. They look really cute to me. I hope you guys like them as well. You can see that I'm just creating two kind of curved lines from the edge of the petal down to the middle, and that's about it. It's really simple and it looks really cute. After curing those, we're gonna go ahead and use this beautiful lining tape, and it's golden, and I thought that it would look perfect with these colors. I just went ahead and added a line of that to the upper or lower part of all of the nails, and then with the same black color we used earlier, I added a line right next to this one. After that, I took my Vanillisa nail glue and started adding some of it into the middle of the flowers we created. Right on top of that, I added a layer of matte top coat to these two nails for now, and I decided to go ahead and use these beautiful gold caviar beads, and these really match the whole theme of the nails with the golden line and everything, so I thought they would look perfect. After that, I took some more of my Vanillisa nail glue and I created a triangle design right on top of the two lines, and I added this beautiful charm that is golden. I just once again love it and think it matches the theme so nicely. I also don't really get a chance to use this that frequently, so I thought that they would look great with this look. Before curing these, I also went ahead with another layer of matte top coat. Now I knew this would matte down and kind of dull out the golden color of these ornaments and the tape, but I still thought that it would look very cute, so I went with it. And finally, it's time to add some cuticle oil to nourish our cuticles. This is a very important step. Never forget to do it. And here's the finished look! I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It was so much fun to put together. I absolutely love full nail art tutorials, and I hope you do as well. And I'm trying to make them as beginner friendly as possible. So if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and a comment telling me what you thought, and subscribe for more videos every single Tuesday. I know this week it was uploaded on a Wednesday. We're moving and I'm so sorry. But I will see you guys next week. Bye!